Right, heading over to my workbench. This is a slightly shorter set by 2 inches, which is a kind of, I think, the look I want. Eventually I will polish all these and, you know, obviously I'll rebuild them and put new fluid in them, brake fluid. And I might change the caliper to a modern one. I do a Beringer kit and people ask me, maybe I could do that conversion. So I might do that so you can see how I do the conversion for the Beringer rotor and caliper. I think it's a 2-pot. And what else? Oh, master cylinder. Yeah, but I do have one on the handlebars there, but we shall see. It's one of them trial and errors. So I'm going to get into this today. So I'm going to take this off, clean all this up, and I'll put new tubes on when I rebuild these, obviously. These are just pitted ones, but I don't want to put new ones on there when I'm mocking something up because I might take it apart again. So we'll see how we go. Always something going on here. Just here I'm making some fog lamp brackets up, which I've got to weld up and then polish because they're chrome moly. So that'll be interesting.